Statistics have shown that the population of the world is rapidly rising. There is the need for continuous manufacturing of consumable produce, and manual labor from workers is no longer achieving high production. Over the years, the world has evolved with the help of technology. It has rapidly moved from the era when workers adhered strictly to manual labor during the manufacturing and production process to a phase of modern machines and skilled workers. In today's video, we'll tell you all about this amazing technology, how these machines work, and how it has improved various manufacturing processes. Before we get into the video, click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our posts. Number 1. CNC Machining Process. Do you want to control the manufacturing processes with computer software? Then here is the CNC Machining Process. In the CNC Machining Process, all the production activities can be done in the same way multiple times. The production process gets programmed into computer software, which controls the factory machines. The CNC machining language is called G-code. When a piece of machinery is customized to produce a stipulated number of products, the G-code commands the production process. It ranges from the position to its speed, feed rate, location, and velocity. The CNC machining process is used mainly for high-power modern machines like grinders, mills, routers, and lathes. The CNC machining process makes it possible to achieve the three-dimensional cutting task with a single set of commands. This technology produces complex shapes that manual machines find challenging to produce. What's more, the CNC machining process is mainly for machines like plasma cutters, CNC mills, lathes, and water jet cutter blades. Through a plasma torch, plasma cutters can cut materials. Compressed air gas is combined with electrical arcs to generate plasma to produce speed for cutting metal and other surfaces. CNC mills is comprised of numbers and letters, serving as a guide to the production line. On the other hand, machines like lathes are geared toward cutting pieces in a circular direction with high velocity. At the same time, water jet cutter blades are made specifically for extra hard materials. Fast machines are used to apply high water pressure on materials while working on them. So many production factories use this manufacturing process to shape their machine parts. In general, the shaping technology of the CNC machining process is next to none. For this reason, it's a unique manufacturing process. Number 2. Continuous manufacturing process. Moving to the second one, we have continuous manufacturing process, an automatic production line that happens 24/7. In this type of production process, activity happens continuously around the clock. This production process involves the mixing and processing of raw materials such as liquids, powders, gases, and slurries with machines to produce finished products. Manufacturing takes place freely, flowing without interruption. High levels of heat and chemical reactions happen during this production process. For this reason, machinery is the best option. There's no break in transmission in the process. No aspect of the manufacturing process happens outside the factory or the production house. The whole idea of this process is to create a forum for large volume manufacturing of standard products. There are two major types of continuous manufacturing processes. Firstly, there is process production, where the demand for a product is continuously high. Also, the raw materials can produce different products at different stages. Secondly, we have mass production, where the aim is to build a single product in large quantities with uninterrupted programmed machines. The continuous manufacturing process helps modern factories eliminate hold times, utilize their manufacturing line's total capacity, and bring quality testing in line. Number 3. Pencil production process. During our childhood days, it is of no doubt that pencils play an unavoidable part. Let's see how the pencil factory works. In the pencil factory, the production process starts with skilled workers monitoring and working closely with programmed machines. They mix the raw materials, like graphite and clay in this case. The end product of this mixture is lead. The work continues as the lead is pressed with water to make a fine, soft paste. It is placed in a preheated oven of up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit to help it dry and harden for efficient writing. For the colored pencils production line, the workers add colors into the graphite and clay mixing machine. Moreover, the pencil factory has fast machines that aid the speed of production. This is done by milling the grooves and applying a thin layer of glue to them. The groover machine cuts the slats into 8, and there you have 8 pencils. The manufacturing process in the pencil factory also involves painting and stamping the brand names on the pencils. The machine mixes the paint, paints the pencils, stamps, dips them, and moves them to the drying room. Skilled workers test for quality, and the pencils are sharpened and packed for supply by the machines. The pencil manufacturing process is one of the best continuous manufacturing processes. Number 4. Razor blade production process. We are all pretty much familiar with a razor. What happens in a razor factory? Let us check. A razor is a small tool produced for taking away body hairs and cutting anything virtually. We have various kinds of razors, such as electric razors, disposable razors, safety razors, and straight razors. Over time, the razor has been a fast-selling product. Join us as we head over to a razor factory in China. The entire manufacturing process is a production line, a factory arrangement where items under production pass through a linear sequence. This could either be a machine or a manual operation. Overall, the primary material used for producing razor blades is the stainless steel strip. Well-inspected stainless strips pass through a punching machine, which shapes them into the world's razor standard. Firstly, the razor stripes go through a furnace heated above 1,000 degrees Celsius and then through a cryogenic cooling chamber. The brand name gets printed on them and they get polished by a polishing machine. Then they are washed to prevent contamination, checked by the razor factory laboratory for thickness and sharpness before being packaged by machines for sale. The razor factory takes care of the production process with the help of fast machines. There are skilled workers in this razor factory, although machinery can best achieve the production process because it involves continuous manufacturing. Thousands of razor blades are packed and sent out of the razor factory daily. Interesting, right? Tennis ball production process. Up next, we have the tennis ball production process at the tennis ball factory. Let's take a quick look at the mass production process of tennis balls. Tennis balls are an essential part of the tennis game. They might not be as loved as the game, but the fact is, without the ball, there wouldn't be a game. At the tennis ball factory, rubber is pulverized between a 2-roller machine to reduce the rubber-like quality. The adhesive coating is applied. Before the two shells get bonded together, a quick blast of pressurized air is fitted to create pressure inside the ball. The rubbery surface is sanded to create a rough surface. Then, an adhesive is applied by a spinning drum of glue. A felt cover is produced from 2 pieces of dumbbell-shaped material. Next, they are transferred into a machine where air bubbles are extracted and the balls are purified before being packaged out for supply. The entire production process is achieved through machine work. We would have never thought that the tennis ball factory's manufacturing process involves a whole list of operation. Number 6. Axial closed die rolling. Next is an amazing technology behind the axial closed die rolling that has upgraded the manufacturing of flash-free forgings in recent times. Axial closed die rolling is a manufacturing process that entails the forming technology of producing symmetric forgings. Forging in closed die helps the workers produce high-quality products from hot forming. Skilled workers can achieve rolling at a temperature model for warm and cold forming. The bottom of the machine can accommodate the pre-rolled rings placed there. The top die is inclined at an angle against the vertical axis, allowing the top die to rotate. While construction is on, both dies are vertically placed, allowing the ring to get rolled in the impression. Compared with a conventional closed die forging process, the rolling force amounts to just 5 to 20% in this production process. The rolling speeds up the production process of large-scale seamless rings. They are used in ships, aviation, spaceflight, power, and petrochemical industries. It is one of the fast machines used for hot rolling ringside blanks and bearing forging, flange, manufacture industry, and auto gear. This production process has an advanced manufacturing structure, high productivity, material saving ability, and numerical process control. Number 7. Crown wheel gear manufacturing. Next, we have another amazing technology invented to produce crown wheels. Crown wheel gear manufacturing is one of the best production processes of crown wheels in the world. The workers set the machine daily by mounting the cutter blades on the cutter head. It enables the machines to work through the cutting tool. A clearance angle along one or both flanks experiences tooting through a cutting edge. This machinery carries out internal cylindrical spline and surface grinding. The cutting system aids high performance and good surface furnishing. For smooth and noise-free functioning, the machine works to lap the gears and pinions after hardening. All the machine cutter blades are sharpened regularly with special sharpening devices. Above all, forging the crown wheel gear with quality equipment and machines adds efficiency and durability. We are all intrigued by these amazing factory machines and how these machines work to speed up the production process in crown wheel gear manufacturing. Well, that's how most of your favorite products are produced. Could that be the reason why their prices are pocket-friendly and they are never out of stock? Do you agree that technology has greatly affected production and manufacturing processes positively? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. So that's it for today's video. Remember, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the next post. Thanks for watching.